Hi guys, in this video we will change the drive belt. The main problem in the car when the drive belt are worn out at the initial stage are various squeak and whistles that occur driving the rotation of the pulleys transmitting torque to the engine attachment. If the squeaks and whistles occur soon, one of the drive belts can simply break off. In particular, drive belts can wear out quickly even if the machine is operated for a long time in a cold and damp weather. For example, in winter, the electrical equipment of a car requires more power supply than in warm and dry weather. If the drive belt in your car are worn out, they will have cracks and scuffs on their surface. Ultimately, while the car is moving, a whistle will appear. In this case, it should be clear that the time has come from their planned replacement. Remember, friends, that if you don't change the drive belt in time, you run risk for being left without functional vehicle equipment. For example, if the service life of the belt has expired due to the serious wear, then sooner or later it will naturally break off. For example, if the drive belt that powers the generator breaks, then it simply stops charging the battery and powering all the electrical equipment of the car. As a result, you will see the battery icon lit up on the dashboard of the car. Also, if the belt breaks, the hydraulic booster will stop working. As a result, your steering wheel will turn very hot. But the main problem with the brake drive belt is the lack of rotation transmission to the water pump, which contributes to the circulation of the coolant through the engine coolant systems. As a result, the engine can quickly overheat from this. In this case, you must immediately stop driving, stop and turn off the engine. Therefore, friends, while driving constantly monitor the engine temperature sensor, which should, after warming up the engine, show the same temperature of 19 degrees. If you notice that the temperature arrow on the drive has gone up and approaches the dangerous red zone, then in the case it's necessary to stop, turn off the engine, and diagnose the coolant system. Attention! Overheating of the engine can lead to its premature failure. Damage to valve steam seals, cylinder head gasket, and also damage to the piston systems. Therefore, friends, don't under any circumstance overheat the power unit. Monitor the engine temperature on the dashboard. Modern drive belts have a fairly long service life, and all thanks to their design and modern railway materials. On average, a high-quality belt can last up to 25,000 hours of operating. Please note that the service life is indicated in hours and not in kilometers, since the mileage itself does not directly affect after service life of the drive belts. After all, these belts are in motion even when the car is stationary and the engine is idling. But this is in theory and according to information provided by the belt manufacturers themselves for consumers. In practice, the service life of drive belt can differ significantly from that stated by the manufacturer. The point is that many different factors affect the wear of drive belts. For example, the way it was installed on the vehicle plays an important role in the long service life of the belts. For example, it's not uncommon for a machine in technical center, due to their long qualification or lack of experience in a car repair, to try to put a belt on a pulley using a screwdriver. Ultimately, the new belt is damaged and will no longer be able to last as long as the manufacturer claims. A similar method of using a drive belt is also used when it's necessary to speed up the process of replacing it so as not to remove the pulley. Also, weather can affect the durability of belt in a car. For example, if you live in a region with a hot climate, then you often use the air conditioning. This means that the compressor of the air conditioner must then receive more of the required energy. As a result, this belt, which transmitted torque to the air conditioning compressor, begins to experience an increased load. In particular, drive belts can wear out quickly even if the machine is operated for a long time in cold and damp weather. For example, in winter, the electrical equipment of a car requires more power supply than in warm and dry weather. Friends, when replacing the belt, you need to check the performance of the relays, pads, whether there are any jamming, wrinkles, and all that. If everything is working properly and everything spins freely, then we assemble the belt back. To put on the belt, you need to know exactly where it is located around the relays. You could take a photo before disassembling the belt and then assemble the belt from the photo. Friends, then check the belt as it sits on the relays. Maybe somewhere it acts. Then it will necessary to correct it. That's all guys, subscribe to our channel, put like and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel.